Hi guys, my name is Vanessa Figueiredo and I'm Brazilian living here in Brazil together with my husband that is a Filipino. He lives here 9 years already and I show you in the previous vlog our Yakisoba business here in Brazil, that is a food truck. And now we're gonna show you more or less how is our recipe, okay? So my husband will appear today showing what we put in our secret yakisoba. Of course, the secret will not stay, but at least the base and how is it here in Brazil. That it's my husband recipe. So keep watching and come with us.
Ngayon guys, gagawa tayo ng yakisoba. Yakisoba na ginagawa ko at binibenta namin dito sa trailer. Tara, samahan niyo ako. Repolyo. Siyempre, plastic gloves for protection. And, broccoli. Konting broccoli. Sibuyas. Bell pepper. At carrots. Ito ako nagluluto. Gamitin natin kawali. First oil. Chicken. We try to cook it for about maybe 7 to 10 minutes. Here's our pasta already cooked. Now we put the sauce. Malupit.
Ano?
Sikretong malupit.
Is it ready, Chef Ikoy?
Almost. This is our finished product, Yakisoba. Thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up. Thank you guys. Sa ulitin.